Put updates the entire resource, while patch updates only specific fields. In Postman, first select the put method from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the request URL. This should include the endpoint with the specific ID of the data you want to update. For example, if you are updating user details, the URL might look like https://appy.example.com/users/5, where 5 is the user ID. Next, go to the Body tab, select Raw, and then choose JSON. Now enter the full updated data in JSON format, for example, name, email, and phone number. After filling in the details, click the Send button to hit the API. If everything is correct, you'll receive a 200 OK success message, and the data will be updated successfully in the database. If you try to hit the API without the endpoint ID, the server will not find the resource and return a 404 not found error. And if you provide a random or incorrect ID that doesn't exist in the database, the response may still show a success status, but the body message will indicate that no matching record was found or updated. So, in summary, Put API is used to update existing data, requires a valid endpoint with an ID, and returns 200 OK when the update is successful. In Postman, select the patch method from the dropdown. Then enter the API endpoint URL along with the specific ID of the record you want to update next. Go to the Body tab, select Raw, and choose JSON. Enter only the field you want to change, for example, just update the email or phone number. Now, click the Send button to hit the API. In the response section, you'll see the updated data displayed in the body, along with a 200 OK success message, confirming that the partial update was successful.
Put updates the entire resource, while patch updates only specific fields.
Thank you.